Hey you guys, welcome back. In today's tip, we're going to take a look at the major flat 5 chord. Let's take an example. We're going to learn the C major flat 5 chord. The formula for this kind of a chord is 1, 3, flat 5 from its major scale. So in this case, your notes are going to be C, E, and G flat. Now I have this position here. I like to use, in addition to the chord, I also like to use the regular 5, which gives a very, very unique kind of sound and feel to it. Here's what it sounds like. Hope you guys enjoyed that. See you next time.